Every once in a while, a product like the OpenRock X open-back headphones comes along that makes you stop, listen, and truly experience the sound around you. The rush for wireless options has led to a booming market with endless choices. Amidst this crowded space, the OpenRock X stands out for its style, tech specs, and commitment to health and comfort. The moment you touch the packaging, it's clear that a lot of thought has gone into it. We're talking about an environmentally friendly pull-out box that feels sturdy and secure. Now onto the headphones themselves. The first thing you'll notice is the build quality. Crafted with aviation-grade aluminum, these headphones look good and feel solid. The matte black finish gives it a subtle elegance that you can't help but appreciate. And despite the robust build, they're surprisingly lightweight, which is a big plus if you plan to wear them for long sessions. One of the coolest features has to be the custom-made metal dual-axis hinge. This isn't something you see on your everyday headphones. This hinge lets you adjust the fit perfectly to your head shape, making sure they stay put. No more annoying slips or constant readjustments. Lastly, the ear hooks are wrapped in skin-friendly silicone, which is gentle even on sensitive skin. Alright, let's dive into what really matters with any pair of headphones, the sound quality. OpenRock X folks bring something pretty special to the table. You know how some headphones just do the job and others make you feel every beat? Well, OpenRock X is firmly in that second camp. First up, the bass. If you're like me and a thumping bass line gets you moving, you're in for a treat. These headphones don't just play bass, they make it feel like a live concert in your head. It's deep, it's punchy, and it doesn't muddy up the rest of your music. Perfect for those bass-heavy tracks where you just want to lose yourself. Now, the mids, where the vocals live, are where OpenRock X really shines. The vocals come through clear and crisp, almost like the singer is right there in the room with you. It's great for podcasts too, making voices sound natural and easy to listen to, which isn't always the case with other headphones. Highs are the icing on the cake. They're bright and airy without hitting that piercing level. Think cymbal crashes in a jazz track or the sizzle of a hi-hat in your favorite EDM song. These headphones keep it all crystal clear. And here's a kicker. Despite being open back, which typically means you get more environmental noise, OpenRock X manages to keep a solid seal on your sound experience. You get the openness that makes everything feel more natural, without losing your music to the sounds around you. Let's discuss where the OpenRock X headphones really shine, and where you might want to think twice. So, who are these for? If you're chilling at home or in another quiet spot, these headphones are a dream. They deliver clear, detailed sound that makes it feel like you're right there with the band or inside the game. Seriously, every note and beat is crisp and vivid. But what about when you step into the chaos of the real world? Think bustling streets, busy offices, or the rumble of public transport. Here's where it gets interesting. The OpenRock X doesn't block out the world completely, which is great for staying aware of your surroundings, like hearing that car horn or someone calling your name. However, in super noisy spots, you might find the sounds around you compete a bit with your tunes or calls. The headphones do pump up the volume to help counter this, but it's not the same as noise-canceling gear. You'll still catch bits of that outside hustle. These headphones are rocking Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest standard you'd want in your wireless gear. What does that mean for you? Well, it's simple. You get a fast, stable connection that doesn't drop out. You can pair them with multiple devices too, so flipping between your phone and tablet, no sweat. Alright, let's dive into one of the coolest aspects of the OpenRock X headphones, their software and customization options. First up, the OpenRock App. It's like the remote control for your headphones. The interface is super user-friendly. Within the app, you can tweak settings to suit how you listen to music or handle calls. Want more bass? Just slide your settings up. Prefer to tone down the treble? You can adjust that too. It's all about giving you the freedom to shape the audio exactly how you like it. The app allows you to switch between different sound modes, such as dynamic, soothing, and explosive. Each mode is crafted to enhance your listening according to your actions. But here's the kicker. You can also create your own sound profiles. Have you ever been caught off guard by dead headphones? Well, those days are over. The app keeps you in the loop with a battery-level display for each earpiece. You'll always know how much juice you've got left before you need to hit the charger. Now, battery life. These aren't just any old headphones that'll bail on you mid-commute. We're talking about a whopping 48 hours of playtime thanks to a beefy 720 mAh battery in the charging case. And if the headphones are running low, a quick 5-minute charge gives you an hour of playback. That's just enough time to get through a workout or your morning commute after a whoops, forgot to charge moment. Compared to other premium wireless headphones, which can range from $100 to $300, the OpenRock X is priced reasonably. The price of $169.99 reflects a solid value considering their advanced features, build quality, and the unique advantages of an open-back design. They are well positioned for those looking for high-quality, versatile headphones that excel in both everyday and active environments without reaching into the premium price bracket.